Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide apps on Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now, to hide apps on the Play Store, guys, first open up your Play Store app. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, you need to know one thing, that is we won't be able to directly hide apps on the Play Store, but we will be able to use the parental function to hide most of the apps. So in order to proceed to do that, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the list, just above help and feedback. Tap on settings, and over here the fourth option where it says family parental control and parent guide, tap on it, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the parental controls option over here. Tap on parental controls, and over here you can see the parental controls are currently off, so first turn it on. To do that, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option, and you'll be required to enter the pin or create a pin which you will be using later on to install any apps depending on the category. So let's enter the pin, and after entering the pin, guys, the parental controls are on. Now after turning on your parental controls, you can see the apps and games option over here. Tap on apps and games, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see at the top of the list this is rated for the babies who are over 3 years, and you can see currently on the category over here at the bottom where it says allow all including unrated, and this is the least restrictive option or the category of the parental control. So guys, in order to hide apps on Play Store, we'll be required to tap on the rated for 3+ only, which is the most restrictive. By doing this, guys, only the apps which are suitable for the babies who are more than 3 years to 5 to 7 years will be available on the Play Store. And after you tap on save, guys, only those apps suitable for babies will be available over here. By doing that, most of the apps which are on the Play Store will be hidden because they are not suitable for the babies over than 3 years. So with that being said, guys, after doing this, most of the apps will be hidden on the Play Store. And so guys, this is how to hide apps on Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.